I think we may have just found one of the most perfect villas in Jamaica. This is Villa Deluxe Paradise. From the moment we arrived, we were greeted like royalty. The team made sure that everything was taken care of. And the villa itself, well, you can see it's completely spacious, beautifully designed. This is a villa that sleeps 8 persons. It is a 4-bedroom luxury accommodation setting in the beautiful Discovery Bay, St. Anne. One of the things we really liked about this place was how each of the bedrooms was designed with luxury in mind. So there's nobody that would feel that they're not getting the best out of the spaces that they need to rest up in each night. But obviously the master suite was just 10 out of 10 for us. I love a good soaking tub, so I had to check that out. And then also the closet was just big and spacious, room enough for both of us to really settle in for the next few days. Let's talk a little bit about the outdoor amenities. There's an outdoor screen projector on the family terrace, and there's a gym if you want to get into some working out. But can I tell you, the food, man oh man, the food was amazing. We were treated to a floating lunch. Have you ever heard of a floating lunch? We've had floating breakfast, but floating lunch was special. And for those who like to get out and explore, we loved how close the villa was to the popular spots like Puerto Seco Beach, which is a very nice beach club, and Green Grotto Caves, which we think is so underrated, both of which they can coordinate for you and transport you. But one of the things they definitely don't skimp on is the luxury romantic vibe. Setting a mood is possibly their specialty, and we want you to experience this, from the delicious food to the amazing staff. Check out our caption for a special discount offer. Would you stay here?